On the first day of Christmas, my bossy sent to me a dove in a quarry.
On the second day of Christmas, my bossy sent to me 2 rigger gloves,
a dove in a quarry.
On the third day of Christmas, my bossy gave to me 3 airlines,
2 rigger gloves,
a dove in a quarry.
On the fourth day of Christmas, my bossy sent to me 4 cancelled jobs,
3 airlines,
2 rigger gloves,
a dove in a quarry.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my bossy gave to me 5 infringements,
4 cancelled jobs,
3 airlines,
2 rigger gloves,
a dove in a quarry.
On the 6th day of Christmas, my bossy sent to me 6 greasy fifth wheels,
5 infringements,
4 cancelled jobs,
3 airlines,
2 rigger gloves,
a dove in a quarry.
On the 7th day of Christmas, my bossy gave to me 7 vloggers vlogging, 6 greasy fifth wheels,
5 infringements,
4 cancelled jobs,
3 airlines,
2 rigger gloves,
a dove in a quarry.
On the 8th day of Christmas, my bossy sent to me 8 hazard thinking, 7 vloggers vlogging, 6 greasy fifth wheels,
5 infringements,
4 cancelled jobs,
3 airlines,
2 rigger gloves,
a dove in a quarry.
On the 9th day of Christmas, my bossy sent to me 9 air homes honking,
8 hazard thinking, 7 vloggers vlogging, 6 greasy fifth wheels,
5 infringements,
4 cancelled jobs,
3 airlines,
2 rigger gloves.
A dove in a quarry.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my bossy sent to me 10 Essex bouncing,
9 air homes honking,
8 hazard thinking, 7 vloggers vlogging, 6 greasy fifth wheels,
5 infringements,
4 cancelled jobs,
3 airlines,
2 rigger gloves,
A dove in a quarry. On the 11th day of Christmas, my bossy said to me 11 wrong addresses.
10 Essex bouncing,
9 air homes honking,
8 hazard thinking, 7 vloggers vlogging, 6 greasy fifth wheels,
5 infringements,
4 cancelled jobs,
3 airlines,
2 rigger gloves,
A dove in a quarry.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my bossy sent to me 12 truckers trucking.
11 wrong addresses.
10 Essex bouncing,
9 air homes honking,
8 hazard thinking, 7 vloggers vlogging, 6 greasy fifth wheels,
5 infringements,
4 cancelled jobs,
3 airlines,
2 rigger gloves,
A dove in a quarry.
Nine air horns. Is that right? 4 cancelled jobs. 9 air horns.
On the first day of Christmas, my bossy sent to nuts.
Cancelled jobs. Fucking weird singing this, mate. Air horns. 9 air horns.
Christmas, my bossy sent to me
9 air horns.
wrong addresses.
9, oh,
What are you doing, Dad? Right.
Air horns. 9 air horns.
On the 9th day of Christmas, my bossy sent to me 9 hoes, oh,
11 wrong addresses. 10 Essex bouncing. 9 air horns honking. 8. I can't see it. My eyesight's not good enough. I need it closer, but if I put it closer, it's in the wrong place and I'm looking like I'm looking down.
how's that?